Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be going through Cambridge IGCSE May-June paper 2-1, May-June 2025. Okay, so time to complete is 2 hours and this is non-calculator paper. All calculations should be done without calculator and the total marks of this paper is 100 and other instructions are here. They are almost the same of the previous papers. So, the change here is you will get a list of formulas here that will be helpful to you guys, but still there are some that you need to still remember. So, they are not all of them. So, you can go through that and wherever required you can use. So, the first question that we have here, simplify 7c minus 5d plus c plus 3d. So, we are going to combine the like terms. Here we have 7c plus c, that is 8c, then 5d, negative 5d and positive 3d. So, it is going to be 5 is greater. So, negative sign 2d we are going to subtract. So, this is 8c minus 2d. Now, number 2 we have question from angles, we have lines and angles here. The diagram shows two parallel lines intersecting two straight lines. So, we have this is shown with the arrows here, these lines are parallel. Find the value of w, x and y. So, this is 4 marks question. So, we will start with the first angle here, x is here. Try to relate the angles whatever is given to you. If I see here this is between the parallel lines. If we see here, so it is these two lines are parallel here. Here you see this and this. So, this shows actually like Z shape here. So, this angle and this angle is equal, they are alternate angle. So, this angle is 76. So, x is also going to be 76 because this is alternate angle. So, we will write here x is 76 degrees because alternate angles are equal. Make sure that the lines are parallel wherever you are looking for the angle. So, this line and this line is parallel, these lines are parallel here. Okay. Now, next one is w. W is here, we can see w is here. Try to relate this one, or before we can also, okay, we can see y first. Here we have 76, this angle is 158. So, this is going to be 180 minus 158. 180 minus 158 to 22. So, this angle we got here 22. Once we got this angle, then we can find out this angle y here. X plus y plus 22 will give us the value of y. So, I am writing here x. Now, x plus y plus 22 is 180 because they are all angles of a triangle that add up to 180. So, x is 76, y we are looking for and 22 we already have there, right. So, 180. So, y plus adding these two 6 plus 2 and 7 plus 2, this is 98 is 180. So, y is 180 minus 98, that is 82. So, value of y is 82. We got x, we got y, right. Y is 82, let me write down here, then we will find out w. So, now if you see here and try to see the relationship between w and any other angle that is given. So, we are given here 158, we have used it here, but even if we will try to relate, you see this and this is F shape here, right. So, it is like this angle and this angle are corresponding, these two lines are parallel. So, this line is parallel to this one. So, we w is going to be 158 because they are corresponding angles. So, we will write here w is 158 which are corresponding angles. right. So, we will write down the answer in the space that is provided to us. So, W is 158, W is 158, 76 x and y is 82, right. Now, the next one here, Sally invests $1,500 at 3% per year, simple interest. So, we have here P, principal amount is $1,500 and we have rate of interest 3% and we are looking for simple interest actually at the end of 6 years. So, time is 6 years. So, we will use the formula of simple interest, which is P R T over 100. So, P is 1,500, R is 3 and 6 over 100. This is 15 times 3, it is 45 times 6. 6 times 5 is 33, 6 times 4 is 24 plus 3 27. 270 is the simple interest. Now, the question is find the total value of her investment after. So, we are looking for the amount actually after 6 years. So, amount after 6 years, he has $1,500 previously and 270 in simple interest that we are going to add. So, it is going to be 1,770, right. Number 4, workout. So, here we have negative sign, here we have multiplication sign. We will use BODMAS rule here. So, multiplication first. So, 5 over 6, then when you simplify this and this gets cancelled, 2 times 4 is 8. So, minus 1 over 4, right. So, then LCM is 24, 6 times 4 is 24, 5 times 4 is 20, minus then it will be 6. It's 14 over 24, 2 times 7, 2 times 7 over 12, just to simplify this one, right. Now, number 5, the interior angle of a regular polygon is 150. So, find the number of sides of this polygon. So, we have the formula of interior angles. Interior angle formula, we have n minus 2 times 180. This is sum of the angle, interior angles, and if you divide it by n, that will give you the one interior angle, right. We are looking for the number of sides, that means we are looking for n, right. So, interior angle we have 150 equals n we do not know, minus 2 into 180 over n. Now, we cross multiply. So, this will be 150 n equals to, when you multiply 180 n minus 360. Okay. So, now 360 I am bringing here. So, 180 n minus 150 n equals to, this is 30 n, here we have 360. So, divide by 30, divide by 30. So, this is gone. So, n is 12. So, number of sides is 12. Number 6, we have the line here. We are given that the line x plus y equals to 7 is drawn on the grid. So, this is the graph of x plus y equals to 7, right. On the grid, draw the line y equals to 2x plus 1. So, y equals to 2x plus 1. So, we need to have the values of the intersecting points at x axis. When x is 0, y will be 2 into 0 plus 1, that is 1, right. When x is 0, y is 1. When y is 0, let us say when y is 0, what will be x? So, then this is going to be 2x plus 1 2x equals to minus 1, x is negative 0.5, right. So, that is going to go on the left hand side. So, we can have the value of when x is 1, what will be y? Y will be 2 into 1 plus 1, that is 3. Okay. So, now we will plot this. When x is 0, y is 1. When x is 0, y is 1. And then when y is 0, x is 0.5, it is going to go on left hand side. So, I am leaving that. So, when x is 1, y is 3 here, right. So, then you just join a line with your ruler like this. Okay. So, now we have drawn, this is the graph of now y equals to 2x plus 1, right. So, now next is this is the first part, we are done with this. Now, use your graph to solve these simultaneous equations. So, we are looking for the intersecting point of this. The intersecting point is here, you see. So, what point is there? If you go down here, x is 2 and y left hand side is 5. So, intersecting point is x2 and y 7, y is 5. Okay. So, now write down recurring decimal 0.26 dot as a fraction. So, let us say this is x and 0.266, only one digit is repeating, right. So, we can multiply by 10 here. So, then this decimal is going to shift on other side, right hand one digit right. So, we will get it like this. Okay. So, I am rewriting it to subtract now 10x x, 10x is 2.66 and x is 0.266, right. So, then we will subtract it. When you subtract, then this 10x minus x, it is 9x equals to this is 0, 0, 0, 2.4. So, x is 2.4 over 9. So, this is 24 over 90. Then we can give your answer in its simplest form. So, read instructions carefully. Now, we are going to divide it. 6, it can be divided by 6 times 4 and 15 here. 4 over divided by 6, it will get 4 over 15 is the answer. Now, number 8, m we are given, n we are given, find 2m minus n, right. So, we will just plug in all the values exactly the way they are given. M is 11 and 5 minus n is 8 minus 3. Okay. So, now this 2 will be multiplied inside to both digits, 22, 5 times 2 it is 10 minus 8 minus 3. So, this is 22 minus 8 and 10 plus 3. 22 minus 8 is 14 and this is 13. So, our answer is 14 and 13. Now, the vector phi and square root y has magnitude of 7. Find the value of y. So, to find out the magnitude, it is we are going to take the square of 5 and square root y squared, this is 7. Now, squaring both sides, we will have here 5 square plus square root y squared equals to 7 square, which is 49. So, this is 25 plus this and this square root and square is cancelled. So, y equals to 49 and y is 49 minus 25, which is 24. Okay. Now, before we move to the next question, I request you guys, if you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends, and please, it takes just 1 minute to subscribe and press the like button if you like the video, but it helps us a lot. Thank you those who have already subscribed. So, number 9, we have the table shows some information about the marks scored by a group of students in a test. So, these are the test marks, this is the frequency. The mean mark is 6, work out the value of n. So, mean, we know that mean is sigma x over the total of the frequencies and the total of the frequency multiplied by this. So, f this is the frequency here and this is x here. So, we are going to multiply f times x. So, this is 4 times 2, it is 8, then 5 times 4 it is 20, then 8 times n it is 8n, right. That is what I am going to write here. So, it is 4 times 2 plus 5 times 4 plus 8n over total of the frequencies. We are not given like how many are they, we will just add them, 2 plus 4 plus n. Okay. So, now this is 8 plus 20 plus 8n over 6 plus n. So, we are given that the mean mark is 6. So, this is equal to 6. Now, we will just simplify this. So, this is 28 plus 8n, we have 1 over here. So, then cross multiplying this will go here, 6 into 6 plus n, right. So, this is 28 plus 8n equals to 6 times 6 36 plus 6n. Okay. So, 8n minus, bring n on left hand side, 36 minus 28. So, this is 8 and this is 2n, divide by 2, divide by 2. So, 8 over 2 it is 4. So, value of n is 4. Now, number 10 we have this circle here. So, we are given A, B, C are 3 points on a circle. So, you can see these points are on the circle. D, E is a tangent, this is a tangent, tangent is a line that touches a circle at one point. Angle ACO is 35, angle BCO is 40, everything is shown on the diagram, but they are not to scale. Remember that you are not going to measure anything from here. Find angle AOC. AOC is here, right. We are looking for this angle now. Now, if you observe, this is a center, right. If this is center, this OC and OA are radii, both of them are radius. So, they are equal. Then it becomes AOC is an isosceles triangle. So, if this is an isosceles triangle, then these two angles are going to be same. If this is 35, this is also 35. Now, we can find out angle AOC. So, we will write here angle AOC plus 35 plus 35, they add up to 180 degrees. Okay. So, angle AOC plus 70 equals to 180. So, angle AOC is 180 minus 70, which is 110. So, angle AOC is 110 degrees. Okay. So, let me write here. So, we got here 110. Okay. So, you always write angle whatever you get in the diagram, so that whenever you require in the next part, then you can use that. So, angle ABC. Now, we are looking angle ABC. Let me see, where is ABC? ABC is this angle. Okay. So, now ABC, okay, this is ABC, okay. Now, you see the relationship here is if you can see, this is an arc AC, right, and these two angles, this one and this, they both are in same arc. So, if this is 110, so this is going to be 110 divided by 2, which is 55, right. So, this is angle on the circumference and this is angle at the center. So, then angle ABC is 55. So, we will write down angle ABC is 110 over 2, that is 55 degrees. Because angle, there is a property, angle at the center is double the angle at the circumference. That is what we have used here. Angle DAC, angle DAC, let me see, where is DAC? DAC, where is DAC? Okay, this one, we are looking for this angle. Okay, so to find out DAC, if you see, this one is a radius and this is a tangent. So, we have circle like this and this. So, this angle is always 90. So, from here to here, this angle DAO is 90 and we are given this 35. So, if you subtract this, then this 90 minus 35, it will be 55. This is going to be 55. Or there is another way, if this angle is 55 here, by alternate segment theorem, this outer angle will also be 55, right. So, there are two ways to do that. So, from here we will write down angle DAO, it was 90, that is what we did, angle between the tangent and the radius. So, then angle DAC, it is 90 minus 35, which is 55 again, right. Now, next we are looking for angle OAB. Angle OAB, let us see angle OAB. Angle OAB, this angle. Okay, we are looking for this angle now. OAB. Okay, let's see what is the relationship. Okay, now we have this triangle, big triangle ABC. You see this triangle. So, we have this angle 35 plus 40, we have this angle and we have 35, we can find out this angle. So, I am going to add all these angles together. So, angle A plus angle B plus angle C, this is 180 degrees. So, angle A is 35 plus the angle that we are getting. Angle A is 35 plus angle OAB, right. This is angle A. Angle B is 55 and angle C is 35 plus 45. You see here angle at this 35 plus 40, we are going to add this one 35 plus 40, sorry. 35 plus 40 and they all add up to 180. So, now I am writing here OAB plus, if you add this 35, 35, 50 and 40, we got here 165 equals to 180. So, angle OAB is 180 minus 165. So, this is 15 degree. So, we got this angle as 15 degree. Okay. So, that is it for this question. Now, number 11, the diagram shows the graph of y equals to fx and point P negative to 11. Okay. So, the tangent from P touches the graph at point AB. Okay. The values of AB are integer. By drawing this tangent, find the value of A and value of B. So, we are just going to draw a tangent. You see, this is the point P. So, you place your ruler at point P and then see where it touches the this graph here. So, let me write here. So, usually we are going to, will not be easy for me to draw here. It's like this. Use your ruler to draw this line carefully. So, this is the tangent from point P that touches the graph at certain point, right. So, at the tangent from the tangent from P touches the graph at point AB. Okay. So, we need to find out value of AB. So, the intersecting point is here. If you see, this is the intersecting point. So, that is where we are looking for. So, if you go down here, the value of x is 1 and the value of y, if you go this side, is here, right. So, this is 5 here. So, that means 1 square represent 2 small square represents 1. So, this is 1, this is 2 here. So, y is equal to 2. So, these are the values of A and B. A is on x axis and B is like coordinate of y. right. So 1 and 2 is the answer. Now find the equation of the tangent, give your answer in y equals to mx plus c form. So for the tangent, let's say the equation is y equals to mx plus c. So we need the gradient. So gradient is, you can choose any point from here. If I take this was the point 1 and 2, and we can take this point is x0 y5, right. So then we can find out the tangent from here, y2 minus y1, that is 5 minus 2. So using these 2 points, so we have y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So this is 5 minus 2 over 0 minus 1. So this is 3 over negative 1, it is negative 3. So y is equal to minus 3x plus c. C is y intercept where it touches y axis. So it is touching at point here, this point at y equals. So c here is 5, right. So c is going to be 5. So y is negative 3x plus 5. So this is our equation, negative 3x plus 5, which is in the form y equals to mx plus c. Right. Now number 12, we have here the time spent on the internet by each of 120 adults is recorded for 1 day. Okay, for 120 adults. So the cumulative frequency diagram shows the information. You can see here we have cumulative frequency and time on the other side. Use the cumulative frequency diagram to find estimate of the interquartile range. So now first of all we need to know interquartile range is upper quartile minus lower quartile, right. So which is Q3, upper quartile is 3 over 4. Let me do it separately actually. So for upper quartile, is 3 over 4 times the total is 120, 4 times 3. So this is 3 times this 90th value, right. And lower quartile is going to be 1 over 4 times 120. So 4 times 3. So this is the 30th value, right. So let's see now the 20th and 90th value. So 90th, if you see, go around here. So this is 80, this is going to be 90. Here you go along this line, then you come down here for the time, because we are looking for the coordinate here, which is going to be, if you see here, this is this line. I am going down along this line. I hope I am on the line. Then you so it's here, right. So this value is, this is 4, 4.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is 5, sorry, this is 5 here. So this is 5.2, 5.4, 5.6. So this is 5.6. So this is equal to 5.6. And now we will see for the 30th. 30th is here. If you go, this is your Q3, upper quartile. If you go down, this is 4.2, right. So this is our Q1 here, which is 4.2. So this is 4.2. Now to find out interquartile range, we are going to subtract, which is 1.4. That is our answer, 1.4 hours. Now next, 70% of the adults spent less than k hours on internet. Use cumulative frequency diagram to find an estimate. So 70% of 120, that's what we are talking about. So 70 over 100 times 120. So these zeros are cancelled, then it is 84, right, 84th value. So we will go on 84. So 84 is here, 80, this is 80, this is 90, this is 82, 84. Going along this line again, then you come down. If you see, this is just one left of the previous one, so it is going to be here, right, which is 5.4. so value of k is 5.4, right. So number 13, we have two diagrams here. The diagram shows solid A and solid B. This is solid A, this is solid B. Okay, the make sure that you read each and every information, right. So you can put tick and underline whatever you feel comfortable. Solid A is made from hemisphere and a cone. You see, there is a hemisphere and cone, we each with radius 6 centimeters. So radius is given. So the solid cone has sloping edge 10. So this is 10, that the slant height. The solid B is a cylinder with the radius 4 centimeter and height h. So radius and height we have here. Then we have the total surface area. The total surface area of solid A is equal to the total surface area of solid B. So surface area of A and surface area of B is same. Work out the value of h. So total surface area of solid A, total surface area of solid A. Now solid A is made up of cone and the hemisphere. So cone, surface area of cone is going to be curved surface area because lower part is not included, and plus hemisphere, the area is 4 pi r square. You have these formulas on first page, you can use that one. So then this is pi r l and this, okay. Answer should be, it's not written that answer should be in terms of pi, so we will substitute the values of pi here. So this is non-calculator paper, you have to be careful what are you substituting. Let me just see. Okay, they have not mentioned here, but we should do for pi. So we can use the value 22/7 also. Okay, so then we have pi, I'm just writing here, and r we have 6, L is 10, we are given all this, then 2 pi 6 squared. Okay, so this is 60 pi plus 6 times 3, 30, 6 plus 2, 72 pi, right. So then this is 132 pi, right. Pi, value of pi I am taking 3.14. Or I think we should not substitute now, maybe sometime, you know, it gets cancelled. So we'll just put it like that. So this is 132 pi, right. So let's say this is equation 1. Now we will go for the second solid. So the total surface area of solid B, total surface area of solid B. Solid B is our cylinder. So for cylinder, you see, sorry, this curved surface area is 2 pi RH, right. Then we have this one here, the top one is circular part, it's pi r squared up and pi r squared down, right. So we will add all of them. So that is going to be 2 pi RH plus pi r squared plus pi r squared, right. So substitute the values that we have. 2 pi and r is 4 and h is we are looking for, then pi and r is 4 squared, then pi r is 4 squared. Okay, so then we have this one is 4 times 2, 8 h, 4 times 2 it's 8 pi h, plus this is 16 pi, 16 pi, 16 pi plus 16 pi is 32 pi. Okay, so pi is common from here, right. Pi is common, inside we have 8h plus 32, right. So this is equation 2. Now we are given that total surface area of solid A is equal. So 1 and 2 are equal. So equation 1 is equal to equation 2. Okay. So I am writing it here. This one is pi, 132 pi is equal to pi into 8h plus 32. Okay, so that's what we got. So then pi and pi, you see pi and pi gets cancelled. So 132 minus 32 equals to 8h. So this is 100 equals to 8h, and h is 100 over 8. 2 times 5, 2 times 4. So this is 12.5. So value of h is 12.5. Right. Now work out the height of solid A. Okay, solid A is here. So we are looking for this actually. This is the height h1 of the cone, and then h2. Remember that this is we are talking about this total height now, right? So we need h of this, that can be easily found by Pythagoras theorem, because this is right angle triangle and this is 6, right? If this is the radius, then this is also the 6. Okay, so we will find out the height of cone here. Height of cone, the conical part actually. Height of cone is given by the Pythagoras theorem, which is it is going to be 10 squared minus 6 squared. This is 100 minus 36, that is 64, equals to 8, right? So this is the height. So height of the cone is 8. So the height of the solid, we are looking for height of solid A. Height of solid A is 8 plus 6, so which is 14 centimeter, right? So final answer is 14 centimeters. Now number 14, we are given fx, this question from functions. So we have fx is 3x minus 4, this is gx, find f minus 2. We are just going to replace x by negative 2. So this is negative 4, negative 6 and negative 4, which is negative 10. Okay. Now f inverse x, so we have f is 3x minus 4, we can put it as y. So make x the subject then over 3, this is x. So that means f inverse x is x plus 4 over 3. So x plus 4 over 3. Okay. Now f of gx is this, find the value of a and b. So f of gx, first f I will put here gx. So gx is 4x plus 1 equals to ax plus b, right? Now we will replace this x by 4x plus 1 in fx. So that is going to be 3 into 4x plus 1 minus 4 equals to ax plus b, right? So 3 times 4 is 12 plus 3 minus 4 equals to ax plus b. So this is 12x minus 1 equals to ax plus b. Now equate the coefficient of a here is 12, x is 12, so that means a is 12 and b is the constant term, which is equal to negative 1, b is negative 1, right? Now simplify 2 over fx, 2 over fx, fx is 3x minus 4 and gx, 5 over gx is 4x plus 1. So we will take the LCM, which is 3x minus 4 and 4x plus 1. So now we will simplify here, 4x plus 1, then minus 5 into 3x minus 4, right? So then we will have here 2 times 8, 4 is 8 plus 2, just expanding the brackets. So this is negative 15x plus 20. So denominator, it's up to you, you can even leave it like that or you can also expand. So I'm just leaving it. So it is 8x, this is negative 7x plus 22 over 3x minus 4 and 4x plus 1, right? So that's it. Here we have negative 7x plus 22 over 3x minus 4 and 4x plus 1, right? Now number 15, expand and simplify. So we are just going to expand the brackets here, nothing else. So 2 is going to multiply throughout. 2 times 1 is 2, then minus 2 times this 3 is 6 root 5, then root 5 is going to multiply minus root 5 plus then 3 times root 5 and root 5, it will be 5 only. Okay, so now we have 2 minus 6 root 5 minus root 5 plus 15. Okay, so this is 17, and this when you add negative 6 and negative 1 here, 6 and this is negative 7 root 5. So that is the final answer. Now rationalize the denominator. So we will multiply here by root 10. Okay, so this is 6 root 10 over 10 root 10, it will be 10. So then you simplify, divide by 2, 2 times 3 and 2 times 5. So this is 3 over 5 root 10. Now expand and simplify. Just again we have 3 different brackets here. We are going to multiply one by one. So I'll start with this here. So x times x is x squared minus 3x, then 4x minus 12. Then we have 3x plus 2. Okay, so then it is 3x cubed, x square I am multiplying, then plus 2x squared minus 9x squared. Okay, wait, let me just add one step, it will simplify our work actually. So let's combine here the like terms first. So this is plus x, right? 4x minus 3x minus 12. Now it will be easier, right? So x squared, 3x is going to multiply throughout here. So 3x cubed plus 3x cubed plus 3x squared plus 36x, then by 2 plus 2x squared plus 2x minus 24. Now combine the like terms. We have 3x squared here, then 3x squared, and this is plus 5x, this is cubed, 5x squared, and then we have 36 and 2x, it's negative 34x minus 24. Okay, so then this is our answer. We should write here. So that's it. This is 3 marks question. Then we have here question from probability. A bag contains 6 red marbles, 3 green marbles and 1 blue marble. 2 marbles are picked at random from the bag with replacement. You see this is have been bolded here, so must consider that. Find the probability that both marbles are green. So we have red, we have green and we have blue. So red is 6, green 3 and blue is 1, right? So in total is 6 plus 3 plus 1, it's 10, right? So we are looking for the probability that both marbles, there are 2 marbles are green. So green is 3 out of 10, first marble, right? That will be the first one, and times the second outcome is again with replacement. So means once we got the marble out, then it is put in back there. So again this will remain 3 over 10. So this is 9 over 100. Okay, Now another bag contains 4, this is another bag, not the same one, right? 4 red and 2 yellow counters. The 2 counters are picked at random from this bag without replacement. Now it's without replacement. So the complete the tree diagram. So total is 4 plus 2, it's 6. So when it is red, this is 3/5, then this is going to be yellow. We had 2, 4 red and 2 yellow. Red is 2, 4 red and 2 yellow. 4 red and 2 yellow. So this is 4/6, then this is going to be 3/5. So next one, because this see 1 is less than this now, see 3/5, the other one is going to be then 2/5, right? So there will be total number of 5 counters left. So once there is 2 yellow and out of 6, then we will have the outcome is out of 5 now. So red are 4. So here the yellow is going to be then 1/5. So now 1 is gone out of 2. So we are left with the 1 only. Now find the probability that one of the 2 counters is yellow. So we are looking from the outcomes. This is the first outcome here. This is the second. So 1 should be red. So if you go this way, you see this is red and red, but we will go this and this, right? Yellow. So one of them is yellow. So this is 4/6 times 2/5, and from here 1 yellow is going to be, you are going to go here and here. 1 should be red, not both yellows. So we are going to multiply this now. It is 4/6 times 2/5 plus 2/6 times 4/5. Now we will just simplify. So 2 times 3, this is 4/15, then plus here we have 2 times 2, 2 times 3. So this is 4/15. So this is 15, 8/15. So final answer is 8/15. Now number 18. One day Anaya runs. Anaya runs 12 kilometers at speed of x, right? So this is our distance, this is the speed, right? 12 kilometers in x kilometer per hour speed. Next day she walks 10 kilometer at speed of this. So this is distance, this is again the speed. Write down an expression in terms of x, the time she spent. So now we know that speed is equal to distance over time. We are looking time. Time is distance over speed. Okay. So total she spends running. So she runs. The first one is the running here. So this is the running. So this is the expression for this is going to be 12. Distance over speed is x. So 12/x. Write down an expression for the time she spends walking. Walking is here. She walks. Then this is going to be 10/x minus 4, right? So now part C, she spends walking 1 hour more than the time she spends running. So walking time is 1 hour more than she spends on running. So that means we have this 10x, 10/x minus 4. This is the time that she spends walking. So this walking time is 1 more than the other one. So this plus 1 more, right? So then we will just simplify this equation. Okay. So now this is 10/x minus 4, and we can have 12 plus x over x. If I take LCM here, now we cross multiply. So this is going to be 12 plus x and x minus 4 multiply here equals to 10x. Okay. Now expand the bracket. It's 12x minus 12 times 4, 48 plus x squared minus 4x minus 10x equals to 0. So this is 12x squared, sorry, not x squared. If you multiply, this is only x here. We don't have this here. Okay, so we have here 12x minus 48 plus x squared. You can combine, this one is 14x, negative 14x equals to 0. So rewriting x squared and 12x minus 14x, it's negative 2x minus 48 equals to 0. So that's okay, right in term, that's what we need to write actually. So this is hence proved. So we got the one equation that we required. Now use factorization to solve this. Now we need to solve this by factorization. So I can write here 2x can be written as negative x plus 6x. 6 times 8, 8 times 6 is 48. So like this, then x minus 8, then plus 6 is common, x minus 8 equals to 0. So x minus 8 and x plus 6 is equal to 0. So x will be 8 and negative 6. So x is negative 6 and 8. Now find the time she spends running. So time for running is, we have here, this is walking, 12 over x. So time for running is 12 over x. So we will use the positive value obviously here. It is 12 over 8. Okay, so this is 3 over 2 dividing by 4, it's 1.5. 1.5 or 1.5. Now number 19, find the value of 27 raised to power negative 2 over 3. Okay, so we have to write 27 as factor of 3. So it can be written 3 power 3. 3 times 3, 9, times 3, 27, times negative 2 over 3. So this is gone. So 3 power minus 2, it's 1 over 3 squared, it's 1 over 9, right? 1 over 9. Number 20, find exact value of x, right? So we can use SOHCAHTOA here. Using SOHCAHTOA, which one we can use? We can use tan here because we want to involve x. This is opposite and this is adjacent, right? So tan of 30 will be, opposite is 6, adjacent is x. So tan 30, the value of tan 30 is 1 over root 3 equals to 6 over x. So x is 6 square root 3. So this is the exact value. So we are not going to substitute any number for square root 3, right? Now next we have number 21, question from vectors here. OABC is a rhombus and O is the origin. OABC, okay, O is the origin. The diagonal of rhombus intersects at point P. You can see here 2P is, sorry, OP is 2M, AP is N. Find M in terms of M and N, its simplest form. Okay, OA, we are looking for OA. So going from O to A, we can go like OP and PA, right? So it is OP plus PA. OP we have 2M and we have AP, you see arrow is downward, so we are going PA, so it will be negative N. So 2M minus N. Now OC. O to C, we are looking for now this O to C. So O to C we can go like OP plus PC. It is OP plus PC. Now because this is a rhombus, so diagonals of rhombus we are using this property, diagonals of rhombus bisect each other, right? So they bisect each other, so that means this AP and PC are going to be same. So if this AP is n, this is also going to be n here. So then we have here 2m plus PC, we are going the same direction. So this is 2m plus n, so 2m plus n, right? Now D is a point that AD is 10m minus 3n. Show that OADC is a trapezium. So what is trapezium? Trapezium is a shape in which like the main property, we have these two sides should be parallel. So we are looking for OADC. This is okay, D is a point on here somewhere. So meaning if we prove this line is parallel to this one here, let me if we prove that this side is parallel to this one, then we can prove that this is a trapezium, right? So now let's say we have here CD. CD is equal to CA plus AD. So if I take this one, how should I put it? CA is here, CA plus AD, this one, right? That is CD, okay, yeah, that is CD. So then this CA, do we have CA? CA is n plus n, right? It will be minus of AC plus AD. Okay, AC is negative 2n, then AD we are given here 10m minus 3n, right? So we will simplify here. So this is going to be negative 5n plus 10m. Okay, so if I take something common, if I take 5 common, right, I have negative n plus 5m minus n, right? So now sorry, not 5 here, wait a minute. So if I take 5 common from here, we got here 2m. Okay, yeah, now got it. So 5 into 2m minus n. Now what is this 2m minus n? We have done here 2m minus n is OA, right? So this is equal to 5 times OA, right? So what exactly we got? We got that CD is a scalar multiple of OA. CD is here, CD is scalar multiple of OA. Actually, so this side is not, we are getting here, this side is going to be parallel here. So I have drawn this the other way. So we got this and this is parallel. So if they are parallel, so that means they are the side is the shape is trapezium. So that means CD is parallel to OA, right? So therefore this OADC is a trapezium. So let me make this thing clear. Previously I considered, because we don't know exactly, right? So I considered that these two sides may be parallel, but we have proved that this side and this side is parallel, these two. So it is going to be trapezium. Whatever two sides are parallel, then that is considered as a trapezium, right? So now we got it this may be different, but these two sides, this may go up there, but this and this is parallel. So trapezium is on the other way around. Okay. Now number 22, a curve has equation. We are given the equation and we are also given the first derivative and dy dx. Find the value of n and the value of q. So y is equal to x power n. Y is equal to x power n plus qx squared plus 9x. So we will differentiate by x. So this is n x n minus 1 plus 2qx plus 9, right? And we are also given that dy over dx is 3x squared minus 12x plus 9. So now we can compare the coefficients. So if you see from here, we got n is 3. So n is 3 from here. Comparing the coefficients, n is 3, and also we have here 2q, and this 2q is equal to negative 12, right? So then q is going to be negative 6. So n is 3 and q is negative 6. Work out the coordinates of the turning point of the curve. So at the turning point, we have our first derivative is 0, d by dx is 0. So that means we will have this 3x squared minus 12x minus 9 is equal to 0. So taking out 3 common, I can see 3 is common. Then we can make factors of this. This 3 goes there. So we have x squared minus 4x minus 3 is 0. So x squared minus 3x minus x minus 3 is 0. So x into x minus 3 minus 1 into x. Sorry, if I will take, this was plus, sorry guys, it's plus here. So then here will be minus 3. Okay, so then we have x minus 3 and x minus 1 is 0. So x is 3 and x is 1. So now we have the values of x. When x is 1, what will be y? Y is, where is y? Okay, y is x power n plus qx squared plus 9x. We have the values of n and q. We can substitute x cubed, and q is 6, x squared plus 9x, right? So we got this. So now we are going to substitute value of 1 as the value of x, right? So this is 1 minus 6 plus 9, 9 plus 10, it's 4, right? So when x is 1, y is 4, right? So when x is 3, we have x is 3 also, then y is 3 cubed, taking this equation, 3 cubed minus 6 into 3 squared plus 9 into 3. Okay, so this is 27 minus 3 times 3 9, 9 times 6 is 54 plus 27. So this is 54 and 54, 54 minus 54, which is 0. So when x is 3, then y is 0, right? Now number 23, simplify 2x squared plus 10x over this. We are just going to take 2 is common from here. So we have x squared plus 5. X, okay, x is also common. X squared minus 5 squared. You can do in the next step. So we have x, and 2x is also common. So x plus 5. Here down we are using a square minus b square. This is a plus b and a minus b, right? So this is gone. So we have 2x over x minus 5. So 2x over x minus 5, right? So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you understood all the questions. Let me know your feedback in the comment section. Thank you so much. Kindly subscribe and share it with your friends. Be blessed, guys.